Hi, this is Ray Davis. I'm at Fast Car Decals, and what we have here is a 2018, the new Sport Jeep Wrangler. Got a nice hood stripe that really sets this Jeep off. Here I have it on a lifted Jeep, and as you can see, the matte black looks really nice on the gray. I've put a couple of these on. You can get this blank, with no writing, or you can get it with the Wrangler written on it, which I think really looks nice. Same cost, and this is Avery Supreme wrap. But I have picked up a small trick, I think is a trick, that may help install this a little easier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on pause. I have another one we're going to do, and I'm going to show you what I've come up with to help the install on this Jeep hood stripe for the 2018, the Jeep Wrangler Sport hood stripe. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I have a kind of a really nice looking orange Jeep Wrangler 2018 Sport model that we're doing, and what I'm doing on this one is still doing the hinge method. This is a dry install, it's the Avery Supreme wrap, but I'm actually installing it and doing the hinge method different. I'm getting it where it's supposed to be. I'm taping it here in the middle and up top, and I'm actually hinging it this way. Normally I go the other way, but I'll cut that backing off, then I'm going to lay that back down. I'm going to smooth it out, take the tape off, lift that side up, take the backing off, smooth it out, take my time, remove the pre-mask that'll expose the stripe, and then it's installed. So that is one thing that I have done. I've tried the other way a couple of times, and I kind of got myself in trouble around those two knobs. Kind of keeping everything spaced out evenly was my problem. So tried this on the one we just looked at, and it worked out great. So hope that helps. Again, this is Ray Davis, Fast Car Decals, and I appreciate you looking and watching this video. I hope this helps, and if you would, please subscribe and like this video. And thank you again for watching the channel of Fast Car Decals.